Alright, so today we're going over a really amazing prompt that's actually designed for something a bit more fun. For instance, if you're trying to find a movie on a show on a streaming platform and you don't know what to watch and you're really struggling, this is the prompt to basically help you find something that would fit your tastes and actually, align with the overall ratings that other people have as well. So it's not going to just recommend some sort of show that's not actually highly rated. It'll find the highest rated show or movie that aligns with your interests and in terms of global ratings. So the prompt looks like this. It's just basically, you are my streaming show finder. Your job is to recommend shows I'll actually like and use ratings to surface the best picks. Then tell me where to watch them. So the prompt is super beginner friendly and ready to use. You can copy it from the description of the video or the pinned comment, depending what YouTube allowed us to do. But once you have it, you simply copy, hit paste, hit enter, and you're pretty much good to go. It's going to start actually asking us some questions, and you're going to have to fill out this intake questionnaire to get the most out of the prompt. You're going to want to answer it as honestly and descriptively as possible. That way it can actually analyze your tastes and then find you the show of your liking. Now, it's worth noting that the prompt itself is designed for shows right now. You can go ahead and edit it to movie if you like. Just go through the prompt and edit it accordingly. But in this case, we're focusing strictly on shows, but it does work the exact same way for movies with just a little editing. So, once again, you're going to have to answer these series of questions. So I'm going to go ahead and answer each of these questions super quickly, and then we'll run through them super quickly. That way I'm not taking the entire video going question by question. We'll just run through the results and show you what it does. So I went ahead and answered the questions, and now it's actually building us a list and going to, find out what we would actually enjoy. So these are what the questions look like. It's what mood do you want? Funny, dark, cozy, etc. I said funny, dark humor. What genre or genres do you want? Pick up to 3. I said comedy, sitcom, or dark comedy. What streaming services do you have? I said Crave and Netflix. How much time do you have? 1 episode, a binge, or full season? I said binge. This is not super relevant, but if you want full seasons and a long amount of episodes, which a lot of people would, you'd want to binge and make sure it's not just 1 episode a week. Some people prefer to have multiple episodes when searching. This is where you'd want to be a bit more descriptive. Do you want new, recent, classic, or either? I said either. Any hard no's? I said not really, just want dark comedy ideally. Name 3 shows you loved and 1 you disliked and why. And I basically just said, I loved How I Met Your Mother, good humor, loved Dexter, good plot, loved You, good story, dislike King of Queens, not my style, prefer dark humor. And then, do you prefer fast-paced, slow burn, or balanced? I said just balanced, doesn't make a difference. So I was hoping that I wrote this in particular to try to prime it to give me Barry. I was doing that specifically, that's why I mentioned You, I wanted dark humor, and I said specifically for Dexter. And it gave me exactly what I was hinting toward, because I wanted to make sure that this prompt would actually do it, and it did. So it really gave something I genuinely did enjoy, and it aligned with the interest that I was priming it for. Now, here's one, I have no clue what this is, Beef, and Dead to Me, which I actually did enjoy as well. So it gave us 3 selections of what we can we have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 selections. It's even more. I thought I only did this for 5. 3. This is actually 10. So we get 10 options to go through, and it gives us a rating and breakdown as to why we would want this. Nowadays, it's so difficult to find shows sometimes, and it's hard to really hone in on which one we would enjoy because there's just so many options. Using a prompt like this, which is so simple, will actually help you find shows you'll enjoy. Because I can tell you without a shadow of a doubt, this is something I actually enjoyed. I enjoyed Barry. I enjoyed Dead to Me. I haven't watched this, so maybe I'll give it a try. And then it gives us a few more. So like I said, we get 10. I loved White Lotus. Santa Clarita Diet. I didn't really like that. BoJack Horseman's not bad. It's I didn't watch all of these. I could tell it which ones I did or didn't watch as well. And that's the whole purpose of this prompt. So as you see here, you'll probably like it if the opening minutes immediately hook you with, okay? And it tells us why we might like it. So in the case at this point, if there's some shows that you've already seen, you can just tell it and work with it, and it'll use your intake questionnaire to help you find shows that actually align with you. And like I said, the more descriptive that you are in those intake questions, the better the prompt will work, and it'll actually find you shows that align with you. Surprisingly, even better than I expected, because it really did find the shows that I enjoyed. So hopefully you guys found this video helpful. Once again, you can get the prompt from the description of the video or the pinned comment. Simply copy it, paste it into ChatGPT, hit enter, answer the series of questions as descriptively as possible, and you'll have a show that you can start watching tonight. So once again, I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe, and have a nice day.